Derek, we just got out of the elevator. We're in this tiny room. Where are we and what is on the other side of this door?
That's a good question. We're in the foyer for this new apartment that we're gonna be working on. It's gonna be completely remodeled, but I wanna show you what's on the other side. Let's go inside.
Let's check it out, all right. Wow, this is one amazing property. I mean, how often do you get into Jade Ocean right here in Sunny Isles, 2-story condo? I mean, this is spectacular.
It's a dream come true.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, like, how often are you gonna see a place where you're in a townhouse, essentially,
right?
But on the 44th floor, overlooking the ocean, and one of the premier buildings in Sunny Isles. The views are spectacular. You have ocean view on this side. Over there, you have the intercoastal, which is beautiful at night. And you just have all the accommodations of a 5-star hotel and the size of the house, but you're inside of a condo, which is really cool.
Absolutely, and talking about size, I mean, what are the specs of this place? I mean,
yeah, it's about a 4,500 square foot place, so
wow.
it's a big place. There's 4 bedrooms, there's 6 bathrooms. It's a tremendous property.
So talking about design, demo is done. You know, I know that you're gonna be coming up with some incredible designs here. I mean, you have a blank slate, but beautiful staircase. What are we gonna be looking at?
It's gonna be one of the best transformations we've ever done. It's really gonna be amazing. If I start over here in the, what we'll call the living room area, we have a full new wall unit being built. Really state-of-the-art stuff that's all original. Right. It's gonna have a fireplace in it, it's gonna have a sitting area, the couch should be situated over here, beautiful TV, it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. We pivot over to here, and we're gonna be removing this beautiful staircase that you love so much.
No more staircase.
No more ugly staircase. You know, this is the central point of the house. You come in the front doors, the first thing you see is the staircase. Right. If you look under there now, there's an unsightly door and there's a pillar. We're gonna get rid of that. It's gonna be all free-floating stairs with a single stringer. It's gonna be beautiful, all new glass, getting rid of all this metal. It's gonna look much more seamless. It's gonna be amazing. On the other side, this wall right here, we're gonna be putting a wine cellar. So you'll have the floating stairs you'll be able to see through, and then you'll have the wine cellar that you'll be able to see directly into the kitchen, which is going to be pretty fantastic.
So basically from entertainment space, from this area,
this will be the dining room area,
into the staircase, all the way through, you're gonna have essentially ocean to intercoastal access. I mean, beautiful views.
You'll have a clear view. The house will feel, it's a large place to begin with.
Absolutely.
It's going to feel a lot bigger when we're done with the open concept that we're creating down here. Powder room before we do, just get a quick look at it so you get an idea of what we're dealing with. As I said, this is going to be all paneling. It's going to have a beautiful mirror. It's going to have a really nice vanity. When you see the renderings, absolutely fantastic.
Right.
I designed this bathroom with my designer, me and Diana. We spent a lot of time in it, and it was really, really something special. So I'm really excited about that. Coming through here again, this whole wall is going to be coming out, and all of these walls will be panels. Okay. The doors are going to be all hidden doors with touch latch system. So you won't even know this is a door. You'll touch latch it to open it up.
And it's going to blend in with all the panels that will go across.
It's going to blend in with all the panels that
Beautiful.
go across.
Very nice.
In the ceiling, we're going to be closing up all those soffits that you see in the ceiling, and coming up with a whole new soffit design. In the kitchen, we're going to be opening all this up. As I said to you before, this is going to be coming out. This is going to be the new wine storage. And over here, this is going to come out, this whole island. And we're going to start the island approximately here and go for about 15 feet.
Okay.
And then you're going to come out to a beautiful table around that island, which is going to be situated here. You know, for an apartment like this, the expectation is very high for finishes. You cannot use what you would use in $1 million or $2 million renovation you know, when you're in a house, it's going to be worth $5 or $6 million when you're complete.
Right.
So we're using all Italian cabinets. All the cabinets inside have LED lights. All the pullouts are state of the art. It's like a Ferrari.
Right.
If Ferrari ever made kitchens, that's what this kitchen is going to be like. It's going to be amazing.
Amazing, amazing. I can't wait to see it. I mean, just all the elements and custom applications and surfaces and product that you're selecting and put in there is going to be beautiful.
One of the big features here is we're going to have a feature that comes from down here all the way up to the ceiling.
Okay.
We're not sure whether it's going to be glass or stone, but this entire wall is going to be one whole feature. It's going to be cool because you're going to have the glass from the billiard table coming across, but one feature
Continuous it all the way up. That's going to
be very, very cool.
And the height of these ceilings, again, it's amazing.
Yeah, well, having the openness here is crazy. It's really, really nice. Of course, we're going to be using Crestron in here. We're going to be using state-of-the-art speakers, state-of-the-art Wi-Fi. The people are really into security and they're really into technology. We're going to be making sure we incorporate a lot of that into the design and into the house.
Amazing. Let's go check out upstairs.
Sure, absolutely. So come on up here, and this is the office.
Nice view.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Absolutely.
As we were talking about, has the whole intercoastal, really nice. And what a great view here, looking out the ocean during the day. So it's really fantastic. As I said before, we're going to be changing the ceiling plan, much more modern lighting.
Right.
Here's going to be a beautiful bookshelf, some seating area, TV over here. This is going to be the billiard room. Everything downstairs is going to be paneled. Up here is going to be probably Venetian plaster, so it'll be really nice.
Very nice. And from what we discussed downstairs, we were talking about the floating glass reinforced ceiling or floor here. I mean, that's going to be absolutely amazing. So it's going to basically carry out right out to the windows?
Absolutely. I just got back the letter from the engineer yesterday saying that it actually can be done. The way it has to be done is going to be quite extensive.
Right.
And it'll be a feat of engineering to get it done, but I'm pretty excited about the fact that it actually can be done.
That's amazing because, you know, things like that, those are one-of-a-kind types of applications. It takes a certain type of property, certain type of homeowner to really get into something like that. That's going to be exciting.
And you're adding square footage.
Yeah,
at
absolutely.
the end of the day is, you know, how many condos can you add square footage to, but you know, this extra landing here will be very cool. It'll be a bigger table. This whole hangout area is going to be super cool.
So here in the master bedroom, I mean, this is a suite in itself.
Oh, absolutely, this is going to be amazing. We're going to be taking down most of this wall, half of it, and we're going to be removing all of the closets over there. It's going to give it a lot more of an open space because it's kind of small for a big suite.
Right.
From this panel over, we're going to be sheetrocking over because it's going to be part of the closet.
Right.
And from this pane to this pane, all the way to the end, we're going to be using the privacy glass. If you look at that last pane, you can see the other person's balcony, so they felt uncomfortable with the fact that people could be peering into their room, so we're going to put the privacy glass, which you push a button, it blacks out. We're also going to be putting blackouts and curtains in here, which are all going to go over to the left side. Beautiful mirrors with some paneling in between. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful bedroom.
And you're going to be moving this wall how far back? Or
No,
what
we're
is
not
this
moving the
like?
wall, we're going to be cutting it back.
Oh, you're cutting it back.
And then
Okay, got it.
opening up the entire closet, but the closet bedroom will seem a lot bigger because the opening is going to be tremendous.
It'll be a lot bigger, so you're going to be
10-foot
putting it
opening
back.
or something like that.
Very nice.
And so the room will feel better. And then we're going to be changing the ceiling design, and we're also going to be putting one of those TVs that comes down because one of the problems with this place is where you put a TV.
Exactly.
So we're going to have one of those TVs that cantilevers out of the ceiling and comes down, and then flips back up to the ceiling. So that's going to be pretty cool. So first we'll stop in this closet right here.
So right now there is 2 closets.
Correct, there's 2 closets. They're all gonna be joined into one. This is gonna go away. And about halfway to here, there's gonna be the new opening into the master. So this will be all gone up to here. And around here you'll have wraparound closets. You'll have a beautiful island. And then this whole wall is gonna be for purses and shoes. It's gonna be beautiful.
It's amazing.
And then that will open up into here, which will have a door that opens up into here and comes into the master bathroom, which, as you can see, you know, we're already well into the demo. There's actually going to be a door here. Your vanity is going to be here. That's going to be a makeup area.
Okay.
Beautiful wood piece inside the wall, freestanding tub, and beautiful shower. And the stones that we're going to be using here and the finishes here are one of a kind. We are going to be incorporating the same Italian cabinetry from downstairs in here as well.
I mean, this space, I mean, this bathroom is huge. This is a big master bath.
Yeah, it is a big master bath. We're getting a lot of things into it, you know, with the double vanity and the makeup area, and the freestanding tub, and then the shower. And then here, we're going to be putting a toilet with a urinal.
Right.
And some storage and some marble work, and it's gonna be quite awesome.
So we're in one of the guest bedrooms. I mean, other than this view, I mean, if we look out there, this is absolutely beautiful. But what is it that you're going to be doing in this space?
This is one of my favorite bedrooms in the house. As you know, there's 2 other rooms, and they're very nice, and they're going to get, remodeled as well. But they're pretty much going to keep their existing shape.
Right.
What I like what we're doing here is we're going to rip out this entire closet and do the open bedroom closet layout like we've done in other projects.
Right.
And when you open this up, it makes the room seem bigger. Even though there'll be furniture and closets in there, it'll all be behind closed doors, it'll feel like a much larger room. So I like this because that open closet plan is something I really think is a thing that makes the room feel a lot bigger, and I think it's a lot more people are going to be doing. And the other thing that we're doing here is really cool. If you notice the glass and the shape of the glass, you're probably wondering how I'm going to do any blinds or drapes in here.
Right.
It's all on a pie shape. It's all on an angle. We have a distributor who's coming out of New York to come, and they actually put the tracks on the inside of all these, and they come in and out on a track and come up. It's amazing stuff. Very difficult to do because you can't use traditional blinds or curtains because of the fact it's on an angle, and to get into those pie-shaped corners is very hard to do.
Right. No,
so everything will be in a track system, will be very unique and very cool. The bathroom is not going to change much. This is going to be full slabs in here. It's going to be pretty nice. The same with the other bathroom. All the bathrooms are getting redone. They're going to be modernized. They're going to be absolutely beautiful.
Amazing.
And some of this tile work is a bit dated. So everything we're going to be doing is going to be freshening up the place and giving it that fresh new feel.
This view is one of a kind. I mean, obviously this is what South Florida is about. When somebody's buying a condo, buying a home, they're thinking about this.
Absolutely. It's like you're on a cruise ship, but you're 44 feet of it. It's beautiful because you have the upstairs one as well. So the fact that it's a 2-floor unit is tremendous. The views are tremendous. The place is tremendous. Even the lobby where you come in, the valet, the way it's, the ocean is sitting there. Most valet, you're looking at a brick wall.
Right.
It's nice to be able to come into a building and be looking at the ocean.
Absolutely. No, this is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to come back. What can we expect to see the next time that we're back here?
Well, next time you'll see the demo will be done, which will be about 3.5 weeks out. Then we'll get the framing underway. All the electrical and plumbing will be done. I guess you guys will come out and we'll film the rough part of things, the same things we did, some of the other projects. We'll start to take form, and then after that, towards the finishing product, and then of course the end result.
Amazing. I can't wait to see it. Thank you so much for having us out here.
Thank you.
This project is one of a kind, something different from what most people know, really, as far as when they're getting into a project, being able to have essentially a townhouse in the sky.
Absolutely.
That's what we're looking at. So,
exciting.
For all of you, make sure you stay tuned for the next episodes, as we have so much more coming, and we can't wait to be able to show you all the finishes and what this property is going to turn into. So stay tuned.